Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, June 20th. Today I'm going to read from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo again, and then we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it as always. The essay today is titled A Wider Horizon. The eyes experience less stress when they can look upon a wider horizon. Whether it be physics, or architecture, or Eastern forms of meditation, or Western forms of prayer, every field of inquiry affirms the fact that the wider our view, the less isolated we are, the more connected we stay to everything larger than us, the less turbulent our time on earth. This is why it helps to share our journey with others, because in so doing we become a chorus of voices, and the stress of going solo lessens once we discover that we are not alone. As light, when confined, turns to heat, the stuff of our lives, when confined, ignites brush fires out of our isolation. I felt the difference dramatically when joining a wellness group during my cancer experience. Alone, I was feeling the heat of dying. But once voicing my pain in a circle of others on the same path, my heart relaxed, back into the light of living. So when you see someone stumbling forward with a stone in their heart, simply go near them and listen. When the pains of living feel sharp, open up your attention and giving it freely. And the connections will even out the sharpness. When things feel heavy, reach out to whomever is near and distribute the weight. What a beautiful advice. I just love Mark Nepo. Anyway, now let's do a short reflection around this essay. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. As usual, keep your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remember, there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing now. Just like there is nothing you need to fix about yourself. This breath is enough. You are enough. This moment is enough. See if this realization gives you a sense of spaciousness and freedom in your whole being. And allow all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to bring to mind a situation that is causing you stress. Notice where you feel the stress in your body. How exactly does it manifest? Notice the emotions and thoughts that are being evoked now that you are reflecting on this stressful situation. Now take a nice expansive inhale and open yourself to the things around you that are not stressful. What are those things? How does it feel to let your mind focus on them instead? And now, breathing slowly, try keeping both the stressful and the non-stressful in view. And realize that to narrow your focus and to widen your focus, to contract and expand, is as part of being human as to inhale and exhale. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for doing this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I learn to widen my horizons. May I remember I am never alone. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue playing with this concept of narrowing and widening your focus. It can be done in any circumstances, and of course proves especially useful in stressful situations. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.